Yo, if you guys are watching today's video, you probably are highly anticipating, got mad FOMO over getting the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, which could possibly go down as sneaker of the year or probably up there as being the best Jordan 4 of the year. But I'm here to tell y'all, bro. I'm here to tell y'all, bro. Do not fall for the hype, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. It's always greatly appreciated. You guys can pull up to the videos, see what your boy The Vintage is talking about. And this video is truly to help you guys. Because me, myself, sometime, bro, I be kind of falling to the hype. I be like, man, do I need it now? Do I need to wait? And all that good stuff. But in today's video, I'm going to strictly help you guys. Like, I'm going to help y'all stay true to yourself all 2024, man. So if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. The mics go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. All right, so as much as I want to have those Bred 4s in my hand, bro, as much as I want to have them, I gotta stay true. I gotta keep these for now. We gotta hold on to these for a minute, bro. We gotta hold on to the 2019 Bred 4s. You know, because I don't really need the Bred 4 Reimagined. It's like, it kind of falls into that FOMO thing, man. If you don't know what FOMO is, somebody down below in the comment section let people know what FOMO is. People fall into FOMO, especially when it comes down to sneakerheads, bro. Sneakerheads get FOMO all the time. When you see somebody else have it, you gotta have it instantly. And I've been saying this, I feel like all year so far. I know it's only been like, what, 16 days. But I really do feel like if you're not a content creator or if you're not in dire need to have a shoe, and you can just kind of fall into that FOMO side of things, you do not need to buy these shoes, bro. You don't need them yet. And I know you love sneakers. I know I love sneakers. And me, it kind of plays into both hands. You know what I'm saying? Back in the day, even before I did YouTube, it was cool to have stuff early. Like, it was super unheard of getting stuff early. People thought everything early was fake. And then now you get to 2024, and now I'm getting shoes because, of course, I still love sneakers. And I'm trying to put content out for you guys, bro. So right now, I'm telling y'all, bro, do not fall for the hype, because the resale value on the Bred 4 Reimagined is probably, I think this is way too high. It's currently way too high right now. And a lot of y'all like, bro, should I pull the trigger now? Am I gonna take an L on release date? How many pairs is it gonna be? And I'm gonna talk to you guys about a bunch of that. I don't even know why I just had this Bred 4 like this. What just happened? I don't know what that was. But currently on StockX, currently on GOAT, currently on eBay, they're all fluctuating from around $400 to $500 in pretty much every single size. And I'm gonna put a couple of screenshots up here. And the person that I want to, shout out to today's video, man, Snapper Kicks, because he showed on his Instagram, these people in these sneaker stores, whatever it was, probably Foot Locker or Champs, whatever it was, but they had a bunch. They had a bunch of these Bred 4 Reimagined. So that tells you one or two things. You feel me? One or two things. One, they have a lot of stock, and two, they're going to probably drop tremendously in resale value. So that's why I'm coming up on here, bruh. Do not fall for the hype, because I know last year when we got the Bred or the Air Jordan 3 white cement Reimagined, people were pulling the trigger early. Me myself, I was about to buy a pair early just because I was like, I want the shoe, I need to have them. But then, in the long run, I waited, I hit on the shop drop, and then later on down the year, I got a double up of the white cement Reimagined, man. So I'm trying to save y'all a few ducats, man. Do not pay on the high side. I know it's high right now, and I know it's probably the hype for it is at an all-time high. But once we get closer to release day, once we get this shock drop that we're supposed to be getting this week or next week, whenever it's happening, Nike is hush hush, bro. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Nike is hush hush with this one. All the Discords I'm in, all the different Twitter groups that I'm in, everybody is super hush hush on this Bred 4 Reimagined shock drop. So I saw I'm probably like, Nike probably just keeping it, hidden. They ain't let no leaks get out. But I am sure once we do get closer into this shock drop happening, those rumors are gonna start spreading from Nike, letting everybody else know, like us in the scene community that come on here, telling you guys what's about to happen. So yeah, guys, man, please save y'all ducats, bro. As much as me, myself, I want the pair, bro. As much as I want the pair, I ain't doing it, bro. I ain't paying $400 for it, bro. Y'all can keep it for all that, because I know for sure there's gonna be a lot of pairs. Now I'm hearing it's gonna be somewhere between like 350 and 450 some thousand pairs, which is not a lot of pairs due to the amount of hype that is surrounding the sneaker. But don't fall into the hype, bro. Don't waste your money. I ain't saying waste, because it's your money. Pay what you want. What I'm saying? It's your, buy what you want. That's the motto since day one here on the channel. Buy what you like, buy what you want. But if I could save y'all a couple of dollars, bro, hey man, please don't do it. So as soon as we get more information regarding this shop drop or exclusive access from Finish Line and JD Sports, y'all know your boy Da Vinci will come on here YouTube and tell you guys about it. And I have 2 early bangers on the way, bro. We got 2 early bangers on the way. I can't wait to show y'all, man. Your boy's excited because now we starting to get these early looks in, bro. Now we starting to heat up. We midway through January. I'm kind of seeing where we at as far as the like list of sneakers, what people are eyeing. And I know, like I said, bro, everybody's all worried about them Bred Reimagined guys, man. All right, man. So next, I want to do a quick little unboxing with you guys. Something I recently just picked up. And I ain't gonna do a full dedicated video because y'all probably be super mad at me. Y'all be like, you wasted my time. So I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna add it in this video right here. They say cut towards yourself. And I'm gonna show y'all what your boy picked up, man. Something different. And I honestly don't even know the name of this brand. So please don't ask me. I'm gonna find it and put it in the right here or in the description box. But I was, you know, scrolling on IG, man, and I seen some dope, exquisite looking sneakers. And I said, bro, I gotta have them. I gotta have them. And now here we have them joints. And I don't even know if it's set. Let me flip it upside down. Let me flip it upside down real quick. Get the box out of the way. And the box comes something like this right here. And it says, with love. And I think the name is Christian Zerotre. Probably saying that all that wrong. Like I said, I'm gonna comment it down below. Let's go ahead and check out what we got, bro. Let's go ahead and check these things out, man. If you want more designer type thing, bro, if you like to swag it out, you feel me? Do something different, step out something different, man. This is what your boy Da Vinci's picked up right here. So yeah, we'll see me up on IG sometime soon with me actually rocking these. It's not like a brand deal or sponsorship or whatever. It's something your boy personally wanted to get. A lot cheaper option from like the Rick Owens that's currently trending everywhere. So I just want to show y'all these, man. I think they call it the Christian Resortes or something like that. I cannot pronounce it. But I thought these things were super dope. Something similar to a Rick Owens, but a lot cheaper in price. Thought it was pretty dope. It's designed in Milano. I'm probably saying that wrong too, bro. But a lot of dope hits. You got some nice leather quality on these joints. You got that super thick platform, which is probably something that's trending a lot lately in 2023 and leading into 2024. And shouts out to the homie, man, Tyshawn, for directing me into the right place on snagging a pair of these joints right here, man. Full outfit will be coming very, very soon. And I will be incorporating more, you know, saying frequent clothing hauls and try on hauls and stuff like that on the channel. So y'all stick around for all that. But hit that subscribe button and notification bell. I appreciate all the support, man. Again, thanks for tuning in to today's video. Everybody right now, man, smack the like button. Comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking about this upcoming releases, especially like the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. And subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we do have, man. I appreciate you guys, man. Love y'all. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.